Hi guys, this is your SBI Clerk preliminary study plan, revision plan and test plan for complete 40 days. So study plan will be for 20 days and revision plan for 10 days and test plan for 10 days. So this is your exam pattern. English language 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Numerical ability 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. So the day 1, day 2 up to day 20 you will be complete study from numerical ability, reasoning and English language. So in numerical ability these are the pattern the questions will be asked. So in simplification approximation there will be approximately 8 to 10 questions, and in number series there will be 5 questions, and from miscellaneous, that is percentage, profit loss, simple interest and compound and so on, there will be 10 to 12 questions. And in data interpretation is an important topic, so this is 5 questions, and quadratic equation and data sufficiency. From all over the miscellaneous questions the data sufficiency will be, that is 5 questions. And in reasoning, inequality, syllogism, so in equality there will be 5 questions, and syllogisms and alphanumeric number series is completely there will be 5 questions. And in seating arrangement there will be 10 questions. The 5 questions will be a moderate level and remaining 5 questions will be somewhat hot level. So blood relations, ranking, direction, sense. In direction there will be 3 questions, and ranking there will be 3 to 5 questions, and in blood relations there will be 3 to 5 questions according to the SBI Clerk preliminary questions analysis. After the exam only we can analyze the question paper. Okay, then from coding and decoding there will be 5 questions, and data sufficiency, like all over the miscellaneous there will be a data sufficiency. They will ask 5 questions from coding and decoding and data sufficiency. So the remaining days you will be in revision for reasoning, that is the logical reasoning. Next one is the English language. So here you should read the newspaper daily, so it will helpful for your antonyms, synonyms, and as well as for practice on reading comprehensions and para examples. So how to connect the sentence you can be clear with that. So it will be helpful to read a newspaper daily. As well as in main examination you will be clear with the current affairs. So here the revision plan for 10 days. So up to day 1 to day 10 there will be 15 questions from simplification and 15 questions from inequality and 10 questions from gloss test. This is our revision pattern. So you will be clear in all topic. So you can revision by number of questions by practicing. Okay. So this is your test plan. So test plan for 10 days. So the first 5 days you will be clear by writing a test for each section by 1 hour. That is for noon as morning you can write a test for 1 hour in numerical ability, and by afternoon you can write a test for reasoning, and by evening you will be relaxed with English language. So this continue up to day 5. Then day 6 to day 10 you can write a model test for 1 hour, like SBI Clerk exam, preliminary exam type. So by 1 hour 30 questions from English language and 35 questions from numerical ability and 35 questions from reasoning. So you can be write a test by yourself, and you can analyze and you can ready for your examinations. So I hope you will be clear with your this study plan. So all the best. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.